Run and do this. Nope.
Fearless.
So we finished our trip with Washington, and now we'll head to Atlanta. And this bus ride, we're gonna be 15 hours, so a whole day only in the bus. We're gonna start now at 6 a.m. and we're gonna finish at 10 p.m. Good luck to us. We still have like 20 minutes. Svarbiausia sėsti į autobusą, paskui kažkaip atsidurs. I would say I approve this ride. It was very nice. Casual day in office. So we are waiting now for Nate. I don't know if he knows where he's going or does he know where we are. I don't know if he will find us, but we are standing here for 2 hours right now. We are waiting.
2 hours?
And I don't know if we're gonna survive actually this night. I hope that he's alright.
It's fine, don't listen to stuff there is.
We're gonna be fine, but I don't know about him. Like he's been driving around the block like for 2 hours right now, calling every 10 minutes. Like, what is going on?
Oh my god.
So after 2 hours.
What'd you say?
After 2 hours.
Oh, it wasn't 2 hours. It's fine. It was 3 hours.
Welcome to Atlanta, you guys.
You good? There is a shop close to you?
Yeah, there's actually a gas station that has stuff.
So there's no shop.
Actually,
There's no. So look at you. You're in Atlanta, driving fancy cars.
Nice hairstyle, everything.
I got a haircut last week and he wouldn't cut any off the top. He was like, no, and I was like, what do you mean no? He was like, no, I like it this way. I was like, is this what you guys do down here? And you say no to the customer? That's what I thought.
Run and do this. Nope.
You genius.
Oh, that's how you do it. You know, some of us, see, this is a motto in life.
Yeah.
Some of us, look deeper into the situation, and other of us
And
waste
other
our
people
time
just
fucking around with
don't
noodles,
do
doing
anything.
nothing.
You can't change.
Yeah, here's the thing. What if my cousin comes home and she can't open the garage?
So where we are going?
We're going to downtown Atlanta. Get familiar with the city, get a little comfortable, and then after that we'll probably head over to like Midtown neighborhood, Piedmont Park.
But maybe we should go first like inside.
Inside?
It's
No,
too
we're
far.
gonna stay outside.
Shut the fuck up. Bye.
We're gonna stay outside.
Bye. See ya.
Well, Thomas and I are gonna stay outside.
I don't think that he is.
I'm just faking. We're gonna be dead.
Woodruff Park. I know nothing about this park.
So what can you explain about this park, guide?
It's woody and it's rough. I hate you. Okay, so we're gonna walk up this way. Let's go.
So here we are in the middle of Atlanta, eating and drinking healthy food and healthy drinks. No advertising, no advertising. So where are we heading right now?
We are headed to the Georgia Aquarium. It's supposed to be like the best aquarium
In the world?
I don't know in the world. I think it's
Are we lost?
No, it's Aquarium?
Yeah, aquarium.
Yeah, just type it in.
Thomas is showing me, how to use navigation for the first time.
And here we go. So,
You want to just hold it?
yeah.
Walton Spring?
He's an artist. No.
So here in around 300 meters you can see CNN building. Fake CNN, fake news CNN, that's CNN. Fake news.
Fake news.
This building is only aquarium.
Yeah.
This whole building. Oh my god, like ocean. Like you're surfing, man. You're a surfer.
Getting those Malibu.
Maybe we're not dirty.
Try putting it over here on the.
So dramatic. Like this music.
Tell me your response to everything going on right now.
Good afternoon, world. This is Nathaniel Bradley, and I just want to come to you live. Today's a day of revelations. Today's a day of breaking news. Today is the day of closure. Closure meaning that our hunt for the lady in the canary dress that drove Mercedes into 4 vehicles along with my bike has been found. She was found here. If you actually scan right up that 4 block up there, that's where she was found. It was actually happenstance. I'd like to say it was a moment of kismet. She was actually meeting someone who worked in the newsroom at the Omni Hotel, and that's when she was found. Sources called me, I flew in, Delta Airlines, and I'm here to just give you the breaking news. I want to thank you guys for being here on this journey with me, through swimming through Crescent Beach, to the top of the Empire State Building, and the Statue of Liberty. Thanks again, and until next time, peace be with you. Good night.
Are you happy that you changed the New York view to this view? We are monks?
Yeah, when we were younger, we became friends. We all were being trained as monks.
now we are here, sitting on the streets. In the middle of nowhere. 20,000 kilometers away from our home. So Nathaniel Bradley said that we're gonna be picked up in 10 minutes. Now we are waiting like for 2 hours. He's calling his cousin.
Good things come to those.
Yes, but we can't wait because we are in a rush. So I want to report to you live, guys.
So I want to report to you guys live. We're breaking ground. We're in Cabbage Town.
Nay, nay.
Hold on.
Hold tight.
Yeah, that was part of the choreography.
You can do hold tight. Yeah.
You know what it is? There's that chord.
Go shopping.
This is the hood.
This is the hood?
Welcome.
This is one of the hoods. Blueberry milkshake, a peach cobbler milkshake. What do you want? A pineapple milkshake, and a blueberry cheesecake milkshake.
Hanging out, yeah. Nighttime.
That's it, nay time.
Nene.
Day one down, we have 2 more to go. Adventures, the hospital, shenanigans.
We didn't explore the city so much, but it's all about being with friends. So Nate is always the best.
Hold tight.
Good afternoon. This is Nathaniel Bradley reporting to you live from the CNN.